Welcome back everyone, I am Bharat. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In this video, we'll be walking through how to install Docker Community Edition on Ubuntu. So without any further delays, let's get started. Here you can see I've done a Google search on Docker CE Ubuntu, and in this website we can see there are a lot of commands that we will have to run to install Docker CE on Ubuntu. So there are various installation methods and we'll be using the repository one. So let's just copy these commands and paste it on the terminal and we'll be good with Docker installation. So let's follow them one by one. So here we are installing some prerequisite libraries for Docker. Now let's add in Docker's official GPG key. Now let's copy and run the command for setting stable version of Docker. Let's copy it and paste it in the terminal and hit on enter. And now let's update the repositories again and install Docker. So this installation might take some time. So the installation is now complete. Let's check for Docker version. So we got back the Docker version. So that is it for this video guys. If you feel this was helpful, hit on the like button, share it with your friends, drop your valuable suggestions and thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit on the notification bell so you never miss out any of our latest updates. Thank you for watching. I look forward to meet you guys in the upcoming videos.